What's up everyone, welcome back to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the alert button, that way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. Now obviously if you've seen today's thumbnail, you know that we're going to be doing a turn signal delete on my Harley Davidson 2020 Lowrider S, aka the Blood Slug. So for the wiring harness, I went with a company called Guerilla Cables. They're stationed out of Riverside, California. Their website is really easy to navigate and it's very descriptive, so go ahead and check it out. They also have a Facebook and Instagram page as well. For the 2020 Lowrider S, the harness is pretty simple. It has all the attachments on it, so it should be pretty much a plug and play install and pretty simple to do. It also came with goodies. And secondly, for the taillight, I went with a company called Eagle Lights. Now the one thing I can say about both of these companies is that the shipping was extremely fast. I purchased these parts on a Friday and received them on a Monday. Another thing about Eagle Lights is their warranty is freaking awesome. Go check out their website. Now enough with me talking, let's install these parts. Whew, it's hot in my garage. Thanks for tuning in to today's video, folks. I'm really excited to have these parts on the bike now. I'm glad that my parts on my bike are American. Again, nothing but good things to say about the companies and the way their customer service was. But on a Switching Gears rating scale, I'm going to give this 2 out of 5 gears. I think it's pretty simple, and as long as you have an understanding on working on motorcycles, I think that you can do it. And honestly, hopefully soon, I think I might buy an Eagle headlight for my bike soon too. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and comment if you have any questions below. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. See you on the next one.